Subtracting negative numbers. Making math more positive. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson on our journey through English language and mathematics. Today, we're going to tackle a particularly interesting topic, which is subtracting negative numbers. It might sound a little tricky at first, but trust me, by the end of this lesson, it'll be a piece of cake for you. Let's start by understanding what we mean by negative numbers. Imagine that you're standing at ground level, which we will call 0. If you climb up a hill, you're moving into positive numbers. But if you go below ground into a cave, for example, you're going into negative territory. Negative numbers are numbers less than 0, symbolized by the minus sign in front of the number. Now, let's talk about subtraction. Subtraction is basically taking away something. If you have 5 apples and you eat 2, you are subtracting 2 from 5. In mathematical terms, you'd write that as 5 minus 2 equals 3. You had 5 apples, you ate 2, and now you have 3 left. Simple, right? So, how does subtracting negative numbers work? Well, here's where it can get a little tricky, but stay with me. When we subtract a negative number, it's like moving in the opposite direction. So, instead of taking away, we're actually adding. For example, if we have minus 3, minus 5, instead of taking away, we add and the answer becomes 3 plus 5 equals 2. In English, 2 negatives make a positive. It's the same in mathematics. When you see a subtraction sign, followed by a negative number, like minus 3, you can treat those 2 negatives as a positive. So, minus 3, minus 5, becomes minus 3 plus 5. It might be confusing at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll see it's a simple and useful rule. To become comfortable with subtracting negative numbers, it's crucial to practice. Try doing several problems on your own. Start with small numbers, like minus 2, minus 4, then gradually increase the numbers and complexity. Well, that brings us to the end of our video. You've just unlocked the secret to subtracting negative numbers. Remember, the rule is simple. When you subtract a negative number, you're actually adding. Practice this concept and you'll master it in no time. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, mathematics can be fun. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.